What's up, everybody? It is a brisk morning out here. Met up with my buddy over here, Victor.
Hey, what's happening?
First time. Come over here to Alabama Hills. We're basically in the Eastern Sierra. Yosemite is like another 200 miles that way. In Alabama Hills, there was actually like 400 movies that were filmed here. This is the map. Django Unchained, Lone Ranger Canyon, never seen that. Iron Man was filmed here. Man of Steel was filmed here. There's a lot of cool arcs, a lot of cool hikes, so we're gonna spend the day here and hike around. And there's definitely a military base nearby because there's jets and helicopters flying all around. And Death Valley is also 100 miles that way. We're not gonna go there today, but there's a lot of cool stuff out here in the Eastern Sierra. These are obviously the Eastern Sierra Mountains. And there's a lot of famous movies that were filmed here. So we're gonna see a lot of. If you recognize an area from a movie, post in the comments below where you think that movie's from. And actually, you can come here. You don't really need a four-wheel drive vehicle or high clearance vehicle. You can basically get a lot of the places with a low clearance vehicle. We're gonna go around and we're gonna see what we can find. We just parked. Here's a nice little campsite. Basically, you can camp anywhere here. Basically anywhere you want, as long as you can go after yourself. Oh, I'm tired. The elevation is high. We're at like 4,000 feet right now, so you get kind of winded quick. But we're gonna climb up there, and I'll show you the views once we get up there. All the way to the top of this big ass cliff. We got one more step to take, and that's to get up there.
We'll make it.
Do it.
Do it.
Well, this is as high as we can get. You can't get on that big ass rock because there's no way up there. It's too steep. So I'm gonna eat my little sandwich right here. Enjoy the view, then we'll hike down. And there's like a cave down there somewhere.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get
down there, and we're gonna go inside the cave. So hopefully that'll be cool. What the hell? See that reflection all the way out there? Up, all the way up. This is probably the highest we're gonna get today. I don't even know how high we are. A couple thousand feet, probably like 4,000 feet above sea level.
Yeah.
You don't want to fall off this because you will be done.
Done. The only thing up here was a hawk or a bird.
Taking shits everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh shit. But there's like a little camp when we get down there. Let me show you. Oh. So there's like a little camp thing. Not a little camp thing, but if somebody wanted to, there's a good camping spot right here if you want to get away from everybody and everything. You can just see for miles and miles and miles. We made it all the way to the top. We had some lunch or had some breakfast or whatever you want to call it. It was only like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Took in some views, chilled out for a little bit. Now we're going to make our way down the cliff and do another hike. Because there's tons of hikes. If you can see all these trails everywhere. There's like tons of hikes over here. And then that is the movie road with the famous shot with the mountains in the background of the road. That's why someone's taking a picture right there. So let's get ready to go. It's probably going to be harder going down the cliff than it is coming up the cliff. I climbed that cave that we seen earlier, the little mini cave. I actually climbed up it. It was kind of tough. I climbed down the cliff, and then I climbed in between these rocks right here, and I went down there and I jumped up, and I kind of like monkeyed the wall and then climbed in here. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. So what I did was I came down right there, I climbed down right here, then I came down and I climbed through there. I jumped over that tiny little rock. It's kind of hard to see because of the shadows. And then I jumped down, I walked up here to right that spot right there. I monkeyed the wall and then pushed up and came. Woo! Keep coming down! So yeah. I will show you Movie Road, and then we're going to be going off to hike an arch. There's like 3 arches in this whole place, or 4.
Pick the easiest way down, dude.
You could do it! If you can tell, there's 2 people up there. They're really small. That's 5,000 feet in elevation, by the way. So guys, this location right here, first Iron Man was filmed. Remember the part where he's in the desert and he's in the cave, and he just gets his suit and he flies out everywhere and he doesn't really know how to fly it. Remember that part? This is where he filmed it. This is where they filmed it. So if you remember the movie, or go back and watch it, this is where they filmed it. Pretty cool. Iron Man 1. Long time ago, probably the best Iron Man movie. This place is so massive and the rocks are just so edgy and they're just all over the place. It messes up your depth perception. I can never say that word right, but it messes up your depth perception. So when you're climbing on a rock, you don't know how far. It looks closer than it actually is. Like, it's just so massive. You can be talking regularly and you can hear people all the way from miles away. It just bounces off the rocks. It's pretty crazy. We were up top, on the top of that mountain right there. We were trying to throw a rock to hit another rock, and it looked like it was close near us, but we couldn't reach it. It's like kind of like when the mirrors in the side of your car, objects appear closer than they actually are, or something like that. I don't know what it really says, but that's basically what it is here. Everything looks closer than it actually is, but it's really far. So we are on the last trail of the day. We're going to the what's it called? The arch. Which one though? I forgot what it's called. What is an arch?
Oval arch, something like that.
Something like that.
It's gonna be sick.
Well, I don't know what that
Look
is.
at all the people that are lined up.
Oh, they're doing that. Where is it? I don't even know where it is. So we are at the arc. We found the arc. I think it's called like Mog. What the fuck? What's its name?
Hey, what's the name of this thing again?
Holy shit, it's bright. It's real bright. Alright guys. Whoa, I can't see shit. Alright guys, I'm wrapping it up. You can't really see me because it's so dark. But I just shot some night photos with a photography workshop class. I did not even pay for it, so which is good. So he was pretty good. He taught me a few things about night photos. But wrapping it all up today, we are going home. It's about a 3-hour drive. That's it. Yeah, we wasn't able to see the Milky Way because the moon is too bright, so there's not a ton of stars out. But today was fun. Was a success. Let me know what you thought about the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my Instagram for the photos. Alabama Hills. Logging off. Logging out.
Start at Mike 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
And right now we're at 7 p.m.
7 p.m. We're gonna get home at like 12.
Yep.
So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next video. This is the life of Mikey.
Late.
Peace.